4-lane road up ahead because they had a rock slide up here on this road back in February, and the whole road was closed down, this Highway 101. And it's closed from 8 a.m. till noon, and then there's another time in the afternoon that it's closed. So we are getting out here before 8 o'clock so that we can get through this road, because they're only allowing traffic through one way at a time. But anyway, today we're heading to the Redwood National Park. We've already been driving through Redwood State Park, and we're gonna see some big trees today. We made a stop at the Lady Bird Johnson Grove, and this is in the Redwood National Park, and we are going to do some hiking in here. This is an idea of how big these trees are. That tree even broke off the top. It's about 55 degrees out right now, so it's a little chilly. That road right there goes back down to Highway 101, and this is up on a very high ridge. That's a pretty tall tree.
Look at that enormous spider. There's gonna be.
It caught on fire.
It's probably gonna be like bats or something up there. I don't want to.
It doesn't go too far up.
This tree sticking out of it is like a twig.
This tree has several trees growing out of the same.
Yeah, this number 2.
Elliot, come over here. There's like a fort.
Whoa, that wood.
That is neat. That's a lot of trees together. This one looks like it caught on fire too. Wow, that's huge.
That's what it looks like in the inside of trees. What?
It's hard to explain how large these trees are. You have to see them.
They use the dead ones. Super.
This tree is still alive.
It even has a back door.
Escape room.
Door.
It has a back door.
Yeah.
Maybe if I...
Caterpillar.
Where?
There.
Tree huggers. What?
Hello?
As you can
Mom, come through the tunnel.
That was a huge tree. Look at that.
Whoa. As you can see, there's also a little window here.
Yep. Look through the window.
Crawl through the window.
Okay, Hannah, are you and Elliot touching hands yet?
Yeah.
Stretch your hands out a little bit.
I named this video Tropical Rainforest.
And then I took that. Oh, she got some pretty pictures of the flowers.
And then when they click it into, then say that it's the Redwood Forest.
There's ferns growing up at the top of that tree.
Like bright yellow.
What do we have here?
We don't know.
Oh, it's a slug. Yeah.
Oh, it's just a slug.
I think it's a slug.
It's
That is huge down in there.
really.
You could look down on this.
Owns the Redwood Forest.
Wow. It's hollow all the way up. Probably the biggest tree stump we've seen all day. Right up there,
If
kids.
a tree falls down from here, we're dead.
Wow. Look at that.
That oak is actually more afraid of you than you are of it. Would Dad?
There's a tree growing out of a tree.
We're gonna be going on a quarter-mile hike around this tree.
Look at good tree.
Look how short their arms are. They're never gonna be able to make it up.
Are we gonna walk down the tree?
Yeah. It might be food.
Look at me a second.
Count the rings on that tree.
D plus I stands for die.
This is the neat part about this tree is all of this.
Die, huh? Die.
K plus B.
Wow. Another big
Looks like dripping.
hollowed out tree.
Looks like it's dripping down.
Yeah.
Wow. Like that.
It's a horizontal.
Oh, it's a bottle. You can't start going until everybody's done.
Alright, we're almost back to the car. We're gonna go down to the visitor center and see what's down there. Now we're gonna take a look at the visitor center.
Damn it! Perfectly at the same time.
That's a neat stamp. It says October 2nd, 1960. Oh, that's when it was established. Elliot's gonna plant his own redwood tree. Let me see it. I wonder if that'll grow in Gillette, Wyoming. Now we're down by the ocean again.
This is a normal sized redwood tree, and this is this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
If that tree grows to be 150 feet tall in Gillette, it'll be the tallest tree in town.